fix iPhone flashing Apple logo really. If you are facing the iPhone flashing the Apple logo, which means Apple logo blinks on and off, it usually means that it is a good logo or software crash or also form confusion. Now you can try this step in the video to fix it. First thing is that you just need to determine what your iPhone is. So if it is at 8, X, 11, 12, 13 or 14, or even if it is at 15, then you just need to release the volume up button. So you just need to simply long press the volume up button and simply long press the volume down button for a few seconds, and after that you just hold the side button until it appears normal. So you just need to press the volume down button and hold the power button at the same time until you see this button, until you see this page. So this is the page from where you can restart your iPhone. So simply click on the button of slide to power off to simply restart your phone again. And the next thing which you can do is you just need to charge your phone for 30 minutes. So sometimes the iPhone flashes logo when the battery is low, so plug in the original charge there for 30 to 40 minutes and try to turn it on again. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to go to settings on your iPhone. So open settings, and from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of general. So click on it and click on the option of software updates and check if there is any update available for your iOS device. So if there is any update available and you have not downloaded or updated it to the latest version, then that may also be the reason that you are getting the Apple logo flashes. So simply update it. Fix the iPhone flashing Apple logo. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.